It's pumpkin time here in my keto kitchen, keto naturopath kitchen. I love pumpkin time. It's the fall and I love egg yolk waffles. We have egg yolk waffles a lot, and if you listen to any of Dr. Carl's videos on choline, he will tell you eat egg yolks. So we try to eat egg yolks. And I always have a lot of egg yolks left over from my PSMF cinnamon bread, focaccia, and I just love egg yolks. So we'll start off with 6 egg yolks and I'll beat them up. To that I am going to add 15 grams of bacon fat. However, this is actually lamb fat instead of bacon fat. Why? I have more lamb fat than bacon fat and I love it. We're going to add a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I make my own pumpkin pie spice. I had a hard time the last couple of years finding pumpkin pie spice in the grocery stores because of all the shortages, so I decided to make my own, and I will link to how I make it. I like it a whole lot better than the store-bought. And also a half a teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to add a few drops of liquid stevia. I'm using vanilla liquid stevia from Now Better Stevia that I get on Wellevate. You could probably get this on Amazon too. I just like the variety of flavors on Wellevate. Again, add as much as you want. So we're just going to mix all of this together. And to that, you're going to add 45 grams of pumpkin. I use canned pumpkin. It's about 3 tablespoons. And we'll mix this all in together. So I have my little dash is heated up. I have a dash, but there are other brands out there. There's a Target has a brand, Walmart has a brand. Now since this has pumpkin in it, I'm going to spray so that it doesn't stick. And I'm going to put about 1/4 cup of the batter and spread it around so there are no holes. Close the cover and we'll wait till it steams and stops steaming, and it smells so good. Pumpkin, pumpkin spice, egg yolks, oh yeah. When do you know it's ready? I don't know. In a way, I wish it had a little indicator that says it's cooked. It doesn't. I usually wait till I see the steam slowing down. Oh, it looks good. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Now it's usually, I'm going to spray it after each one because I don't want them to stick. I might get 4 out of this. Normally I'd probably get 3, is usually 2 egg yolks per waffle, but with the added pumpkin I might get 4, we'll see. Oh, 2 down. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Again, I'm going to spray. Next time I think I'll use 12 egg yolks just to have more. If you're not dairy free, you can top them with a little bit of cream cheese. We are mostly dairy free, so I'll just eat them plain. I love it. There you have egg yolk waffles, pumpkin spice. Let me try one. This is amazing. Pumpkin spice egg yolk waffles. You have to try it.